Hello and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hello and welcome to this demo of ChatGorilla. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how ChatGorilla works and why it's so much better than any other AI app that is conversational, and how it can really help you assist with pretty much every marketing material that you may ever need for any sort of purpose. You know, when you log in, you're going to see a very friendly dashboard by default, and you can even bring in your data from ChatGPT. So you can simply import the files here, and we're going to basically bring all of your data from ChatGPT to ChatGorilla. The most basic feature is the simple chat feature, which basically allows you to, go ahead and start a conversation. So let me just drop a super simple question. And, that's how you go about the most basic use case scenario. The amazing thing about ChatGorilla is that you can have it create images as well as analyze PDF files right from within the chat itself. So let's say I want to, create an image. All I have to do is type /draw, or I don't even have to type it. As soon as I type /, it shows me the options that I have. And, once I select it, I can just ask it for, a cat sitting in front of a bonfire near a window, snowing outside. And I can simply send that, and it's going to take a few seconds to get me the images that I want. And there you have it. Now I can simply go ahead and generate more and more variations of it. And I can basically generate as many variations as I would like. And once I have a variation that I like, I can simply click on the download button and save it to my PC. Now, the exceptional feature that I would really like to show you is this part, where you basically get 1,000 plus prompts built into the ChatGorilla app, and you can simply go ahead and create whatever it is that you want to create. So for this example, let's just say I want to create a sales script, and then you have a whole host of options for each and every single thing that you go for. So you can, you want something for your social media channel, you can tell the app what do you want exactly. You want to improve your website's SEO, you have a few different things that you can do here. You want to create an SMS marketing campaign, you have a few different options here. You want to create an email sequence, you can basically generate a whole host of things including affiliate product emails, cold emails, newsletters, cart abandonment, and even like subject ideas and all of that good stuff. Let's just go ahead and create an email. So say I want to write a newsletter. Now it's going to ask me what tone do I want it to generate the email in. So I can say professional perhaps. I can even, you know, be helpful or enthusiastic or whatever I'd like. And again, each field has different questions for you, right? So as you see here, each question sequence is tailored especially so it can bring you the best prompt that you can use to generate the best copy, or you know, whatever it is that you create. So let's go ahead and come back to newsletter. Enthusiastic is fine. Let's say selling, or let's just say selling a white label supplement. Who was my target audience? Fitness enthusiasts. And all I have to do is click on the start chat button. I can give it a title. Let's just call it test for now, and create prompt. Now when I come here, you're gonna see the prompt is ready for me. I can of course go in and basically, you know, generate, I edit the prompt to make sure that it is what I want. And basically the way we have tailored the prompts is it's gonna bring you better results, so it exactly addresses the AI how the AI wants to be addressed. So let's just hit enter and drop this message. And here you go. You have your subject: boost your fitness routine with our incredible white label supplement. Right? So that's one thing. Now again, I have a whole host of things that I can do with it. So I can create something for an affiliate product, something for my customer service, something for my website and e-com store, a whole, like I said, we have 1,000 built-in prompts. And in some cases, we even have like multiple prompts for a specific, you know, category. So yeah, each and everything is super customizable. It brings you results that are unimaginable. But yeah, that's about it for this video. You know, all the rest of the details about ChatGorilla are going to be on this page. So pick your copy up and we're going to see you on the inside.